Okay, so I am going to show you how to add voiceovers to a module for students who need things read to them as one of their accommodations. Um, with this, make sure your module is published so you can view it later. But once you get into your module, I'm going to show you how to walk through it. You can see I've already done a voiceover here. That's what this blue box with the play button is. That is a voiceover. And I'm just going to show you how I would do this. So I'm going to delete this out of here, and then I'm going to add record or upload media here. So if I click on this button, it will show my camera. So if I don't want to do video, I just want to do voiceover, I can do that, and then I can just see that the microphone is working there. You just select mic. It has the default internal microphone. And then I select start recording. And then I can read to them the directions that are here. I find it helps to pull up two screens or to have a transcript of what I want to read or what I want to say, because you can't get back to your page because it stays grayed out, so make sure you're aware of that. Once you finish, you can hit the play button to preview what it says and listen to it. You can save it, you can start over. I'm just going to close out of it since I don't want to save it, and I'm going to click cancel since I don't want to delete the one that I had there where I read all the directions to the students. To double check that it has processed correctly, though, you might want to go into your student view. To do that, you're going to click the home button, select student view. Once it goes into that, it should pop up with a purple box. Yeah, down here at the bottom of the screen, you're currently logged into student view, and it has reset or leave at the bottom. So I'd select modules, and then I would go down to, this was the one where I put it in, and I would open it up. And there you can see it. And it should, yeah, pop up. Now, it does pop up and it kind of takes up a lot of space. It looks almost like a video is processing, but it's not actually a video. It's just the voiceover recording of what I had read to them. So that should be there. So I just read all of this text to them so that my students who needed it had that option.